Good morning everyone. Our topic is relationship between the man and the environment. Let's study further. Introduction between the relationship between man and the animal. Man and environment is the relationship between refers to the interaction between and the feedback between the man and the human. The natural component and consequently the linkage between the social and the geophysical system. Social means the interaction between the society and the geophysical means the latitude, longitude and etc. The field of the man and environment relationship operate with the series of concept of the notions. They refer to the causes of the environmental change and feedbacks and the consequences for the community's answer of the decision maker. It means that it is the important point of the man and the environment relationship. Environmental determinism. The simple definition of it is that the natural environment is responsible for all the human actions. Means it is responsible for all the human actions like the cutting of the trees and cutting of trees, making of factories and many others. The point of view is that the physical environment controls the course of the human actions. Means it all means something done by the human is wrong. Then if we cut the tree, then the responsible means the pain is happened to the tree, not the human. In the other word, the brief that variations the human behavior around the world can be explained by the differences in the natural environment is the crux of the man-environment relationship philosophy. Means it is the philosophy that the difference between the man and the environment, it is the curse of the man and environment relationship philosophy. It is done by the philosophy. The deterministic school of thought is of the opinion that history, culture, living styles and the stage of the development of social groups and the nations are largely governed and controlled by the physical factors of the environment. Means the history and the culture and the living styles of the stage of the development of the livings of the human is largely governed by the physical factors of the environment, like the making of houses with the woods and many other things. It is the explanation by the diagram, environment and the human, mental humanities and the physical natural science. Possibilism. The theory of possibilism was born in the beginning of the 20th century. It is the concept of the determinism which was conservative, cannot be accepted by the society. Means it is the philosophy that was born in the beginning of the 20th century which was not accepted by our society, which is the civilized and advanced. Means it was the advanced. The reason behind that, it is the man with the help of technologically development has modified the nature. Means the reason behind it is the man who developed the environment with the technologies and development. For example, he had created canals for making the water available in the extreme desert area, for making it suitable for living. The concept of the possibilism says that the nature provides a number of opportunities and the possibilities from among which man is free to select or choose. Means the environment provides the man with the different options, but it is dependent upon the man what he want to choose. Importance of environment by the human. Positivism. Positivism is a philosophical approach founded upon the belief phenomena of the human social world are no different from those of the natural, inorganic and organic world. Means it is not different upon the inorganic and the organic world. Positivism as a philosophical system recognizing only which can be scientifically verified. Means it is the scientifically verified and which is capable of logical and mathematical proof and therefore rejecting the metaphysics. Humanism. It is approach to the study of man and the environment relationship. It emerged in 1960s. Reaction against the positivism. Humanistic approach developed just because of the dissatisfaction developed due to the mechanism model of the practical science that had developed during the quantitative revolution. Means it was developed during the quantitative revolution. The followers of it approached the practical science treated human beings as the map, data, graphs and numbers in the equations. Thank you.